In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Banggood. By the end, you'll have promotional messages and marketing emails silenced so your inbox stays focused on what matters. First, open your web browser and go to banggood.com. Make sure you're signed in to your account. If you're not already signed in, use the sign in option at the top of the page and complete the login process. It's important to be logged in so the changes apply to your account and stay in place across devices. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right area of the site for the My Account menu. Hover your mouse over it to reveal more options, then select Account Settings. This is where Banggood keeps most of the controls for how they contact you and what kinds of messages you receive. Inside Account Settings, find the section labeled either Notification Settings or Email Settings. Depending on the version of the site you're using, the name can vary slightly, but both lead to the same place, the controls for promotional and marketing communication. Open that section to view the available options. Now, locate the options for promotions, deals and offers, and marketing emails. Uncheck these boxes to stop receiving non-essential messages. These are the settings that typically drive sales alerts, newsletters, and special discounts. Clearing them won't affect important service messages like order confirmations, shipping updates, or account security notices. It only targets the marketing side. If the site shows toggles instead of checkboxes, switch them off so they're clearly disabled. After you've made your selections, scroll if needed and click Save to apply the changes. The Save button is usually near the bottom of the page, and clicking it ensures your preferences are stored. If the page autosaves, you may see a brief confirmation message indicating the updates were applied. That's it. Your promotional emails from Banggood are now turned off. Keep in mind that you might still receive messages already queued for delivery, so allow a little time for the change to fully take effect. If you ever want to receive deals again, just return to the same notification or email settings and re-enable the options you turned off. It's a quick way to fine-tune your inbox whenever your preferences change. Thanks for following along. With these simple adjustments, you've taken control of your notifications and kept the useful updates while eliminating the clutter.